Hi guys, welcome back to Max and Chiah. For today's video, I am going to make a plain white slime with Chiah
and Maxim. So I'm gonna mix and like a sauce.
What's that?
Plastic container and spoon.
So this is the first time that we will be using this jumbo glue and this activator.
Yes. That activator.
Yeah, we're going to make a plain white slime.
This is the activator.
Okay, so
I get star spoon.
So let's start. Okay. Sabon. Yeah. Okay.
It's so gluey.
Okay, I'm just going to put. Then here we go. Okay, there. Then the cover. So, itatabi ko lang ito, guys. So, next is this activator. I will just put a few drops until it turns into slime. So, Mama and Papa bought this at Cherry Slimes PH. Now I'm gonna add few drops. Okay. So I'm going to mix again. It's almost. So I will add some more. Okay. Just keep mixing. Until it turns into slime. I will add more. Gonna add more. Okay. Now I added more. Now mix. And just keep mixing. Wow. I'll add some more activator. Now I'm going to mix. happy when I touch this. This will be so fluffy. This is my first time making this. Wow. Wow, it's so cool. So hard. Super hard. So hard to mix this. And now I'm going to put this at the table. It has an activator on the table. Babalikan ko lang ito, guys. So, mag-need na ako. Wow! It's so soft. It's sticky. And it's super duper marshmallowy. I'm having fun with this slime. Now it's formed into a slime. So nice. This is my first time. That I made this slime with the activator that I used. The sound. So nice. Mas maganda yung activator na ginamit namin ngayon kaysa sa Ariel liquid detergent.
Mas fluffy siya.
Mas fluffy siya kaysa sa Ariel liquid detergent. Gooey at para siyang bubble gum. Tapos yung sound niya, bubbly. Ito parang bubble wrap. Meron po kaming bubble wrap.
accomplishment.
Wow. Funny. It's time na naman to say hi to our friends. Hi to Saint Villaflor. Hi to It's Althea. Hello to March of Gaming. Hi to Kate Kylie King Arroyo. Shout out to Zion Bless Z. Shout out to Shem V. Hi to Jasmine Amador. Hi to It's Me Crystal. Hello to Kuya March of Gaming. Hi to Johan and Celine Vlog. Hi to Hazel Giliw TV Vlogs. Hi to Mariel Alcaraz. Shout out to Soul Full Bell. Hi to Sin Villaflor. Hi to Ate Joanna May Alferez Vlogs. Hi ulit kay Sin Villaflor. Hi to Joanna May Alferez Vlogs. Hi kay hello to Sin Villaflor. Hi ulit kay Ate Shem V. Hi to Samantha Pontanieles. Hi ulit kay Jasmine Amador. Hi to Ray Vlogs. Hi to Jasmine. Hi to Laika Viray Vlog. Hi to Atika May Balenas. Hi ulit kay Angela Jimenez Vlogs. Hi to May Estes. Hi to El Bonita. Hi to Amazing Channel 101. Hi to Yanabets Just Smile. Hi to Zion Bless Z. Hi to Helen Mariveles. Shout out to Nina Slime DIY. Hi to Zoe Saklot. Hello to Nestle Natividad Vlog. Shout out to Miss Fabianca Manamtam. Hi to Matthew Tamuradas Vlogs. Hi ulit kay Jasmine Amador. Shout out kay Shem V. Hi to It's Althea. Shout out to Princess Charmin Viernes Laino. Hi to Ika May Balenas. Hi to Juliana Christine. Hi to Vegas ETC. And hi to Angela Jimenez Vlogs. Guys, thank you talaga for your love and support. Para sa ibang shoutouts, just keep on commenting to our videos. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.